All right, so based on these two given pieces of information, it's asking you to write a model for the horsepower needed to keep this bicycle moving at speed s on level ground. So what they're asking you basically to do is evaluate this power function, plugging in this whole expression here for f, so that you'll get your answer or an equation just written in terms of s. So what you're going to do is you're basically substituting in this whole thing for f. Okay, so if you plug that into your calculator, we take the 0.00267 times s. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the s, so I have the right variables at the end. And then we're going to multiply that by this whole quantity. So in grouping symbols, I'm going to substitute this f right here for its equivalent expression. So I'm going to plug in 0.0116. Okay, again, I'll use s squared plus 0.789. Okay, close off the parentheses, and when I hit enter, I get my solution. Okay, I'm going to need to expand this as well because it just gave me factor. So if I go to the F2 Algebra tab, select expand, and I surround that original expression inside my expand key, I get the new expression 3.0972. Notice the e minus 5 means times 10 to the power of negative 5. S cubed plus 0.002106663 s. Again, there's my whole solution. Okay, and so when I rewrite this, I can apply my power of 10. I'm going to take this and move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the left. So when I write my answer, I get 0.000. So I get 4 zeros, 3, 1 if I round it, s cubed plus 0.0021. Again, I'm not sure how many decimals did I ask you to round it to? Okay, so here's 2, 4, 5, 6. So you're cutting it off right here. So 1, 0. And remember, your cutoff is just look 1 to the right of the cutoff. That's all you need to do. Don't build up from that side. Is this number 5 or greater? If so, move this number up 1. So it does become a 0.07. This s still remains here. And so that would be your equation. Okay, and then it asks you how much power does it take to keep this moving at 10 miles per hour. So if you plug in 10 for the speed, so if we take this function that we have right now, all we need to do is evaluate it using the with key and select s is equal to 10 so that it plugs in a 10 everywhere there's an s. And when you do, you get your answer 0.05 horsepower. And that was plugging in a value of 10 for the s in this function.